Hello everyone and welcome to this week's virtual celebration assembly. You'll be pleased to see that I've got my jacket and shirt on today, looking quite smart in my top half, but I've still got my tracksuit bottoms and slippers on. We've had some lovely work this week. Please have a look through Twitter to see it all. I've included a selection in this assembly. So I shall pass over to our guest presenters who are going to read out the stars of the week.
Everyone, I hope you're all keeping well. Well done for all the hard work and effort this week. Now to our stars of the week. For year 7, 7G Ethan, Humanities and English. 7K Lexi, English. 7M Declan, ADT. 7P Alaha, English. 7V Janae, English. 7W Hasnan, Science. Well done, year 7. Have a lovely weekend.
This week's Year 8 Stars of the Week include Krish in 8A for DT and Humanities, Ernie in 8E for Humanities, Brianna in 8H for English and Maths, and Katrin in 8T for ADT. Happy Friday, everybody!
Good morning everyone, I hope that you are all safe and well. Year 9 stars of the week are Manuel from 9F for your English work, Anita from 9J for your RS work, Juliana from 9B for your DT work, and from 9K we have 2 stars of the week, Daniel for your ADT work, and George for your geography work. So well done everyone. I hope to see you all very soon. Stay safe.